Hey, do you want your KDE Plasma terminal to look as good as mine? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And don't worry, all the commands I use in this video are linked in the description below. Coffee ready? Let's code. Open your console. Right now we are probably running bash. We need to install a new engine called zsh. It's much more modern and customizable. Depending on your distribution, whenever you use Fedora, Ubuntu or Arch, type in the install command you see on the screen right now. Now we need to swap the default shell to zsh. Type this command, enter your password, and you are good to go. Next, we need a framework to manage our configuration. We are using the most popular one, Oh My Zsh. Pass the installation command, hit enter, and type Y to agree to everything. Let's give the terminal some superpowers. We are going to install two specific plugins. First, zsh-autosuggestion, that suggest comments while you're typing. The second one, zsh-syntax-highlighting. This turns correct comments green and wrong ones red in real time. There are hundreds of plugins available, and I have left a link to the full list in the description. Downloading them isn't enough, we have to activate them. Open your configuration file by typing nano.zshrc. Scroll down until you find the line that starts with plugins. Add the names of the plugins inside the parentheses, separate by a space, just like I'm doing here. Once you have done, press Ctrl+X, then Y and then Enter to save the exit. Now let's make it look sexy. We are downloading the power level 10K theme. Run the download command found in the description. Open the .zshrc file one more time. Find the line zsh theme and change the value to this. Save and exit. This step is crucial. For the icons to appear, we need a nerd font. I recommend JetBrains Mono. Install it using your package manager. Now let's configure the app itself. Go to Settings, then Configure, Console, and click on Profiles. Create a new profile. Check the box to make this your default profile. You can pick a cool icon if you want. Important, in the command box, make sure it says zsh. Close everything and reopen your terminal. You should see the power level 10K configuration wizard. Just follow the steps. Does the icon look like diamond? Yes. Does the lock look like a lock? Yes. Choose the style that fits your vibe. While we are here, pick a color schema you like. Sweet KDE is a great option. One final detail. Sometimes the auto-suggestions text is too dark to read. You can fix this in the console profile settings under colors. Just change the fade or intense black color to something lighter. Perfect. You can also edit the theme to add some transparency or blur if you like that glass effect. The best part? This setup applies everywhere. Open Dolphin or Visual Studio Code and your terminal looks just as amazing there. That's it for today. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.